In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from a screenshot using ChatGPT. This can be incredibly useful when you need to quickly copy text from an image without having to manually type everything out. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This step is straightforward, but it's important as our journey begins here. Once you have Google open, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar. Once the results populate, you'll want to click on the link that takes you to the ChatGPT website. This is essential because ChatGPT is the tool we'll be using to extract the text from our screenshot. After reaching the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a plus sign, which is where the magic really starts. Clicking on this plus sign opens up new possibilities for interaction, especially uploading media files. Our next step involves clicking on the option that allows you to add photos and files. This is where we prepare to introduce our screenshot into the ChatGPT environment. Make sure your screenshot is easily accessible on your device, as you'll need to locate and select it in the next step. When prompted, select the screenshot file that contains the text you wish to extract. This might be an image you took on your phone or a screenshot from your computer. Be sure to double-check that it's the correct file by previewing it if possible. Once you've selected your file, it's time to give ChatGPT some instructions about what you want it to do. In this context, typing a prompt is crucial. You'll want to instruct ChatGPT clearly by saying something like, "Extract text from this screenshot." Being clear and precise with your prompt will help ensure that ChatGPT understands exactly what you're asking and can perform the task efficiently. After you've typed your prompt, the only step left is to click on the Submit button. Once you click Submit, ChatGPT will begin processing the image to extract the text. You'll want to wait a moment while it works through the information you provided. And there you have it. ChatGPT will then display the extracted text, ready for you to use as needed. With these simple steps, you can effectively and efficiently extract text from any screenshot using ChatGPT. This process not only saves time, but also eliminates the potential for human error when manually transcribing text. Feel free to save the extracted text in a document or anywhere you find useful. With technology like ChatGPT, tasks like this become moments of efficiency more than chores. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide as useful as it is easy to follow.